Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ramandeep. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss aphorism number 8, which states that it is not conceivable nor it can be proved by any experience in the world that after removal of all symptoms of the disease and of the entire collection of perceptible phenomena there could or should remain anything besides health. Now, it is not conceivable, nor it can be proved by any experience in the world. Means, here we are going to discuss the basic thing, that is the perceptible signs and symptoms. Now, we have already discussed, first point according to homeopathic concept is the internal changes, that is internal derangement of vital force. Whenever we say person is diseased, in that case we take this concept that firstly the vital force has got deranged by any exciting cause. Now that internal derangement of vital force leads to or manifests itself clinically in the form of signs and symptoms. This is the perceptible phenomena. Perceptible phenomena refers to whatever is very clear. Now what is very clear, when patient is visiting the homeopathic physician, he will relate his complaint in his or her own language. These are the symptoms. Now this is very clear, and next we are going to observe the signs also. These two things are very clear. Perceptible means which is very obvious, which is very clear to us. In that case, the internal derangement of vital force is very clear or perceptible to homeopathic physician, because that internal derangement has manifested itself in the form of signs and symptoms which are going to help us in cure. It is not conceivable, nor it can be proved by any experience in the world. It cannot be proved that. Now here Dr. Henneman mentions that when, as he had already discussed in previous aphorism up to aphorism 7, including some causes of the disease, including knowledge of the physician, including mission of the physician, what the homeopathic physician has to do. Now relating to all the past aphorisms, here the concept is that as and if homeopathic physician is having the proper knowledge, he is very clear about his mission, he is not going to use any external sources, any external means to bring about the cure, means homeopathic physician is totally going to focus on signs and symptoms, then taking the detailed case according to principles mentioned in Organon of Medicine, and then properly selecting the homeopathic medicine according to, that is the simillimum medicine according to principles mentioned in Organon, and then having the proper, last of all, having the proper knowledge of Materia Medica, going to tally the list of medicines found in after repertorization with the knowledge of medicines mentioned in Materia Medica. Then once the homeopathic physician is reaching up to the simillimum medicine of that particular case, there remains the no reason that the cure is not brought about. That is, there remains nothing except health. What is the basic mission of homeopathic physician? To bring back the disease to healthy state, disease state of body to healthy state. This is the cure. Means here Dr. Henneman mentions, if we are exactly following the principles given in Organon of Medicine and acting according to and being confident in having the proper clinical knowledge regarding the list of knowledge given in aphorism number 3, there remains nothing except health. Means if we are acting according to principles, proper medicine is selected, it is far sure, it is going to be definite that we are able to bring back the disease state to the normal healthy state. There could or should remain anything else beside health, or that the morbid alteration in the interior could remain uneradicated. Morbid alteration. Morbid, the term we have already discussed, morbid refers to the disease state. Morbid alteration. We were discussing regarding vital force. First, there was some exciting cause which was responsible for bringing about the changes in internal economy, that is changes of vital force, that internal derangement, which is morbid alteration. Morbid alteration means, what meaning is change. Some external exciting cause has brought about some alteration, that is the changes in healthy human being. What it has done? It has brought that healthy state of body to the disease state. This is the morbid. Morbid alteration interior could remain uneradicated. Uneradicated. Now mission of physician is to eradicate that disease state. After properly evaluating the case, giving the simillimum medicine, what is to be done ultimately? Symptoms are removed and patient is to be freed from that disease state. means bringing the cure. Now there remains the no reason that internal alteration, the disease state, cannot be brought back to the healthy state. Means in each and every case, under any circumstances, if a homeopathic physician is moving rightly according to the principles mentioned in Organon of Medicine, he or she is very sure about bringing that disease state to the normal healthy state. That is, there remains the no reason that internal derangement could remain uneradicated. That is, in every case it will get eradicated and the physician will be able to bring back the cure. Now that's all regarding aphorism number 8. And please like, if you understand the concept, please like the video, share the video, and do subscribe my channel. And if you want to have if you want to ask anything regarding the topic discussed, you can mention in comments below. Thanks for watching.